simple interest. Let us solve some exercises and problems in simple interest. Exercise 4.9. Simple interest, rate of interest, time, and principal. The principal can be a loan or an initial investment. Let P be the principal, R the rate of interest in a year, T years, and I the interest. Find the value of the indicated variables. Let us solve letter A. We are given a principal. It can be a loan. It can be an initial investment. A principal that is worth 60,000 pesos. The interest rate is 8% a year and T is 3 years. Find the interest. So these are the equations to remember when we are working with simple interest. The interest is equal to the principal times R, which is the rate of interest per year, and the number of years, times T. We must also remember this: the maturity value of a loan, or the ending value of an investment, and it is equal to this: the quantity 1 plus R times T times the principal. You can also look at this as the principal plus the interest. Since we know that the interest is equal to P times R times T, okay, so we can factor out P, and this leaves us with this equation. Let us solve for I. So I is equal to the principal times the rate of interest times T. This is direct substitution. 60,000 pesos times 8% as a decimal number is 0.08 times 3 years. And the interest is 14,400 pesos. So don't forget to affix the peso sign, okay? Let us go to letter B. The principal is 125,000 pesos. T is 2.5 years. And the interest is 15,000 pesos. P earned an interest of 15,000 pesos after 2.5 years. What is the rate of interest? Find R. This is our working equation. Okay? I is equal to P times R times T. To solve for R, we divide our equation by P times T. And that will give us this. R is equal to I over P times T. R is equal to the interest, which is 15,000 pesos, divided by the principal times the number of years. So the rate is equal to 0.048. In percent, that is equal to 4.8%. So to convert a decimal number to its percent form, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay? And so that becomes 4.8%. Letter C. The interest earned by an investment or by a loan is 2,500 pesos. The rate of interest is 12% in a year, and T is 30 months. Find the principal. Our working equation is I is equal to P times R times T. To solve for P, we divide our equation by R times T, and that gives us this. The principal is equal to I divided by R times T. The principal is equal to 2,500 pesos divided by the rate of interest per year, which is 0.12, and then times 2.5. Now, where did 2.5 come from? It came from this, 30 months. So our rate of interest is in terms of rate of interest in a year. And 30 months is equal to 2.5 years. And so our principal is 8,333.33 pesos. Exercise 4.10, Simple Interest, Loans, and Amortization of an Internet Shop. An internet shop obtains a loan of 150,000 pesos from a lending company based on a simple interest rate of 10.25% a year, payable in 2 years. Find the following. Interest after 2 years, the maturity value of the loan, and the monthly amortization if the shop wishes to repay the loan through monthly installments. Let us solve letter A. Let us find the interest after 2 years. Again, these are our working equations for simple interest. I is equal to P times R times T. The maturity value of a loan we can compute for the maturity value of the loan in this way, P plus I, the principal plus the interest, or the quantity 1 plus R times T times the principal. Let us get I, the interest after 2 years. So this is direct substitution. The interest earned after 2 years is equal to the principal times the rate of interest times 2 years. And the interest is equal to 30,750 pesos. What is the maturity value of the loan? It is equal to, so 1.205 is this one. It's 1 plus 0.1025 times 2. So the maturity value of the loan is equal to 1.205 times the principal. And the product is 180,750 pesos. That is the maturity value of the loan. We can also arrive at the same answer using the maturity value of a loan is equal to the principal plus the interest earned after 2 years. So our principal is 150,000 pesos. This is the interest after 2 years. And so we just add the 2. And the result is the same, 180,750 pesos. How about the monthly amortization? If the shop wishes to repay the loan through monthly installments in 2 years, what should be the monthly amortization? So the monthly amortization is equal to the maturity value of the loan divided by the number of months in 2 years. And in 2 years, you have 24 months. And so the monthly amortization is going to be 180,750 pesos. That is the maturity value of the loan divided by 24 months. And this is going to be the monthly amortization, 7,531.25.